Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon Kindle Unlimited membership. Whether you're looking to save some money or just taking a break from reading, this process is straightforward and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to manage your subscriptions. Now that you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page where you'll see the menu bar. Here, hover your mouse over Account and Lists. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options related to your Amazon account. From this menu, select Kindle Unlimited. This takes you directly to the Kindle Unlimited management page where you can view and control your subscription. Although I don't have an active Kindle membership at the moment, I'll show you exactly what the next steps look like. Once you're on the Kindle Unlimited page, direct your attention to the left panel of the screen. This is where Amazon organizes all your membership details and settings. Navigate to your membership by clicking on it. This section displays all the information about your current Kindle Unlimited plan, including billing details and membership status. In this area, you'll see your plan displayed on the left side of the screen. Look for the option that says Cancel Membership and click on it. Amazon wants to make sure you're certain about this decision, so they'll prompt you one more time for confirmation. When the confirmation screen appears, click Cancel Membership again to finalize your decision. And that's it. Your Kindle Unlimited membership is now canceled. Keep in mind that you'll still have access to Kindle Unlimited benefits until the end of your current billing cycle, so you can continue enjoying your books until then. After that, your membership will officially end and you won't be charged again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.